Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Eka Apriani from Management Class 24A. So in this video, I will presentation about materi leadership behavior. So, leadership behavior refers to how a leader acts, communicates, and makes decisions to influence others. This topic is important because the success of a team or organization is strongly affected by how a leader performs their role in everyday situation. Next, definition of leadership behavior. Leadership behavior is the pattern of action shown by a leader in guiding, directing, and motivating team members. It is reflected not only in decision but also in how leaders interact, set example, and handle challenge within the organization. Next, importance of leadership behavior. Leadership behavior plays a crucial role in shaping the work environment, productivity level, and employee satisfaction. Leaders who demonstrate positive behavior can create a supportive atmosphere where team members feel valued and motivated to perform better. Leadership behavior theory. Leadership behavior theory focuses on what leaders do rather than their innate trait. Studies from Ohio State and the University of Michigan show that leadership can be learned through observable behaviors, meaning anyone has the potential to become an effective leader. Ohio State Model. The Ohio State Model identifies two key dimensions of leadership behavior: task orientation and relationship orientation. Effective leaders are able to balance both by accomplishing goals while maintaining strong relationship with their team members. Michigan Model. The University of Michigan research classifies leadership behavior into two types: production-oriented and employee-oriented. Leaders who focus on employees tend to prioritize team well-being, which can lead to better long-term performance. Next, task-oriented behavior. Task-oriented behavior emphasizes achieving goals, organizing work, and monitoring performance. Leaders with this approach focus on efficiency and ensure that every team member clearly understands their responsibilities. Relationship-oriented behavior. This behavior focuses on interpersonal relationship, including effective communication, empathy, and support for team members. Leaders who prioritize relationships tend to create a positive work environment and increase team loyalty. Transformational leadership. Transformational leadership involves inspiring and driving positive change. Leaders with this style encourage team members to grow, think creatively, and reach their full potential, top motivation, and a clear vision. Next, servant leadership. Servant leadership places the leader as someone who serves the team. The leader prioritizes the needs of team members, support their team development, and create an environment that encourages collective growth. Factor influencing leadership behavior. Leadership behavior is influenced by various factors such as personality, experience, organizational culture, and situational condition. There is no single best style, as leaders must adapt their behavior to different circumstances. Impact of leadership behavior. Leadership behavior significantly affects team performance, job satisfaction, and organizational culture. Effective leadership can boost morale, strengthen collaboration, and encourage innovation within the organization. Practical application. In practice, leadership often combines different behaviors depending on the situation. For example, they might adopt a firm approach when facing critical targets while still maintaining good communication and preserve team harmony. Conclusion. Leadership behavior is a key factor in organizational success. Leaders who can adapt their behavior to the needs of their team and situation are more likely to achieve goals and create a positive and productive work environment. Okay, so for the last closing statement, leadership is not merely about position or authority, but about how a person communicate and create meaningful influence on others. In every organization, a leader behavior play a critical role in shaping direction, culture, and overall team success. For the discussion present, we can conclude the leadership is not something people are simply born with, but something that they learn, practice, and continuously develop through experience and self-awareness. Classical theories such as the Ohio State and Michigan models highlight that effective leaders are those who can balance a focus on achieving goals, task-oriented behavior with unique concern for people, relationship-oriented behavior. Furthermore, modern approaches such as transformational leadership and servant leadership emphasize that great leaders go beyond achieving results. They also inspire positive change, build trust and strong relationship, empower and develop the potential of each team member. And then, however, on the most essential qualities of effective leadership is adaptability. There is no single leadership style that works in every situation. Successful leaders are those who are able to read the situation accurately, understand the needs of their team, adjust their leadership style flexible. Undoubtedly, effective leadership has a significant impact on team performance, job satisfaction, innovation, and the development of a positive organization culture. A true leader does not only deliver results but also create an environment where others can grow and thrive. A true leader does not only deliver results but also create an environment where others can grow and thrive. A true leader is not measured by how many people follow them, but by how many people they empower. Hopefully, this presentation provides the insight that everyone has the potential to become a leader, starting for small, consistent behavior practice every day. Thank you. Okay, Al, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.